Okay, now we are looking to vertex. Vertex is shortly maximum or minimum value of function. It can be maximum, it can be minimum. When it is maximum, it must be like that. Uh, A must be greater than less than 0. For minimum, A must be greater than 0. So for this one, it is minimum. Okay, you can see that is x vertex and this is y vertex. It is same distance. When you are looking to here, x1, x vertex and x2, can you create formula from here? Do any of you have has an opinion? Can you tell me what's relation between x1, x vertex and x2? No opinion?
Isn't like x1 and x2 for finding the like difference of the this one when we find the slope we
No,
use
no,
in the
no,
formula
no,
y.
no, actually, it is just you have to find out to what's the value of x vertex just using x1 and x2.
Okay.
So, what's your opinion? Any of you? X vertex, x1 ve x2 için ifadeler yapabilirsiniz. Okay, I'm asking question like that. I want to make it simple. -1, 11. What's the value of x vertex if it is same distance?
Like x2 minus x1
Okay, so it will be 12. 12 is here, then.
and I
Okay,
don't
okay,
know.
okay, just wait, just wait. I am giving you simplest example here. It is, let's say, 3. It is 5. What's the value of here? That one. 3, 5. So what will be the value of that one? Any
We
of
have to
you?
do 3
4
plus 5 divided by 2.
Yes, it is 4. Right, it is 4. How did you get 4? 3 plus 5 over 2, right? So it will be -11 plus 11. -1 plus 11 over 2, so 5. So what's the formula?
X1 plus x2 divided by 2.
Okay, right, x1 plus x2 over 2. It is our first formula. And we have also second formula. We know Viet, right? What's the value of x1 plus x2 from Viet? Do you know? I hope you know Viet.
It was minus b over a.
Right, 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 right. So when you have ax squared plus bx plus c, it is negative b over a. And let's substitute it and you will get negative b over 2a. Is it clear? You have to use that one when it is given in this form. You have to use that one when it is given in this form. Okay. Any question? Okay. No
Can you
question.
please repeat this part because I my internet connection was gone. So
Okay. Did you understand this formula? X1
yeah.
plus x over 2. So then we have to do substitution like that. Put instead of x1 plus x2 negative b over 2a. It's all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. For finding y vertex, you have to just put this value in the function. Let's say that canım bura bizim example etsem sorsam bir example var yazar. Let's say that we have y is equal to 2 multiplied by x minus 5, x minus 7. From here we will get 5 and 7, then add them and divide it by 2. It is 6. Y is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 minus 5 will be 1 and -1. It is equal to -2. So it means that for finding y-intercept, you have to, y vertex, you have to write instead of this function x vertex. Then you will get it is y value. Or you can use this formula, but it is complicated. I never use this formula. This one is best one. Okay, if you don't have any question, let's look some example with you. I think I say başka bir şey demeliydim. Yo, ha bir tane de şey var idi. Okay. Okay. When we need to find x vertex, when we need to find y vertex, it is also very important. I am selecting green. Okay, if it says that, if it asks what's the minimum or maximum value of f of x, you have to find y vertex. If you write here like that, if it asks like that, for what value of, just wait 1 minute. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum or maximum? Then it is x vertex. So you can see that here I am asking about f of x. F of x always is y. Okay, so when I am asking what's the minimum or maximum value, it is related to y. But when I am asking about for what value of x, it is related to x vertex. If you don't have any question, let's look some examples together. Sual yoksa suallara bakak. If you don't have any question, let's also look how to use Desmos. Okay, I am giving you one example here. Okay, let's say that you have y is equal to 2x squared plus 10x minus 20. Okay, let's make it integer. Just wait. Let's make it 12. It will be probably integer. Yes, it's integer. Okay, you can see that here we have 4 points. Okay, that one, this one, this one, and this one. All of them are important. These two are x-intercept. This one is y-intercept. Okay. And this one is last one and most important maybe. No, actually not most important. All of them are important. And this one is vertex. Okay, now if I am asking you a question like this, what are x-intercept? No, actually they will never ask this type of question. They will ask question like this. For how many? Okay, like that maybe. Okay. So what's your opinion? It's very simple question. I am waiting answer. You can just tell your answer. I mean,
I think 1.
okay, one. Which point? This one, this one, this one, or this one?
0. Oh. Yeah, 0, 12, 1.
Okay, let's look that one. If I am asking like what's the value of f of 0, then it will be yes, that one. So it is not answer. It is not correct answer. F of x is equal to 0 means that like that. I am helping you. So how many points? What's the answer?
I think
So
that
it will
our
be on the
answer
point
is
5.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat? I'm one bad. Biriniz deyin.
I think that our answer is x1 and x2.
Yes, and so you have to say a number. 1, 2, 3, 4,
2.
2. Right, right. It's 2. Answer is 2. And one of you also say answer, but I didn't understand. Who was that one? Kimiydi o? Nəsə deyirdi kimsə. Bilmədim.
I was changing my answer.
What did you say?
I was going to say the same things.
Ah, okay. Then great. Okay, so if we say for how many times f of x is equal to 0, it is this 2 point, okay? So they can also write it like that maybe. So then answer will be 1, 2, 3. So never look that one. It is not f of x is equal to 0. This one is f of x is equal to 36. Here, f of x is equal to 36, not 0. Okay, let's continue. And that one is f of 0, and let's continue. If I am asking like that, for what value of x does f of x reach its minimum value? For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum value? Okay, what's your opinion?
Negative 2.5.
Okay, so answer is negative 2.5 because you have to look only x. Right, negative 2.5. Okay, what's the minimum value of f of x?
It's 24.5.
Yes, negative 24.5, right. Like that. Let's continue if you don't have any question from here. Do you want me send that one to group?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Now let's look most important question type in SAT. Here we have to think. I can ask that one. We can think it like this. When one vertex point is given and just one point is given. So for example, let's say 10 and 20 is vertex point, and also f of x pass through from Let's say 5 and 5. I don't know. 5 and 5. What's the function? Find its function. What's the function of f of x? Okay, here we have to use this forum. I didn't write. I forgot to write that one. Okay, if you, I am giving you 2 minutes. Look it for 2 minutes, then we can discuss it. Okay, who have an opinion? Who has an opinion? No opinion. Okay, if no opinion, I want to explain. Here we have 2 methods. I am writing here first method. It is the actual most important question type. Okay, we have Aycun, your answer first. -3 over. It looks like it is correct. Yeah, probably it is correct. Great. We have 2 options here. First method is using this form. 10 and 20. 10 and 20. Okay, you write it like that. Then you have to write it 5, 5. And 5. Then you will get negative 0.6. And I think Aycun also you entered that. Okay, right. Aycun, it is totally correct. Then you have to write here like
Can you
this.
send
Again,
it
same
to
thing.
the group chat?
But
Can you send it to the group chat?
yeah, I will send. Did you ask? I will send that one to group chat, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I will send it. Okay, then you have to write this A here and it will be your answer and it is all. It is first method. First method. You can use that one and most students generally use this one when I am asking this question. But my favorite method is that one actually. Create table. Just wait. Okay, create table. Right vertex to middle. Okay, right vertex to middle. It is 10 and 20. Then enter 5, 5 here. Okay, now I want to show you like this. Okay, here actually you can see that one very easily. Because parabola is symmetric, if you have vertex here and another point here, it means that you will have another point here, right? Did you understand this method? So we need to learn how to find this point. So let's close it. So we have point here, that one here. So we will have automatically another point at here, right? So you can see that their y must be same. If it is xy, their y must be same. So we have to write here phi, like that. And we know that if we have, just wait. Okay, if we have here 5 unit of difference, it must be also 5 unit of difference, so it will result with 15. So it will be like that, 15. After that, you have to press that one and you will get this equation, change it to quadratic, and it will be your equation. So here we have two methods. You have to think x as a sequence 5, 10, 15, and you have to make their y values are same. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now I am sending this question to group. Okay, now let's continue and let me give you some question. Okay, look that one, 7. Beraber gözük. Okay, I mean, probably you are writing. If you have any problem, if you need help, you can tell, okay? You can ask for help. It doesn't say. Salam. Olar da əslində ümumiyyətlə o vaxta gələ bilsənsə daha yaxşıdır. Birinci gün. Yəni sən sabah gələ bilərsən dərsə, səndə sabaha dərs var idi. Mənim 15 olsa dərsim var, ona qoşula bilərsən. Bir də bu vaxtlar dərsdə oluram. Saat 14:00-dan sonra ona görə səs aça bilmirəm. Ona görə yadımdan çıxdı sonra da. Okay. If you have any opinion, something like that, you can tell me. We have argued it is correct, great. It is one of the actual hardest question. But I want to also wait for other students. I am giving you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Dersteyim ama gelin. Mən 2-də gələcəksə, yəni 45 dəqiqə bəs eləyər, 2:45 deyin. 2:45. Kimdir ki? CV-si var. Adı nədir? Tamam, atın. Starda işləyir. Hə, lap yaxşı. Hə. Demək, 2023-də qutarıb. Yaşı az deyil. Hədəfdə işləyir. Başqa var. Yox, çox da şey yoxdur CV-sində. Tamam, gələr şeyə girər. Bir dənə deyərsə, demo dərs keçər, sabah baxarım. 45-də. Hə. Siz 2:40 deyin, 2:35 saat deyin. Biraz tez gəlsin. 2:45-də keçməsin. Birinci oturub. Yaş. Yaş. Okay, we have answer from Sejan. Okay. I cannot do quadratics. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, it is hard actually. Also, you didn't solve quadratic equation test. That's fine, maybe. But I think if you try, you can find this one because it's not very hard. Sejan, I am telling to you. Burada kim var başka? Ayla. What about you? Gülsüm. 10. No. Okay. Ayla, sesim gelir sana. Ayla. Peki burada değil. Ayla. Sesim gelir. Tamam, yəqin gəlmir. Meryem, what about you? You didn't send an answer.
I couldn't do it.
Did you do anything?
Yes, I tried doing something, but I think I'm doing wrong.
Okay, very good. First, it's a vertex. If you say vertex, y is equal to a multiple by x minus a squared plus k. Then enter this vertex here. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear? Okay, I
Yes.
think this clear. Let's continue. Negative 1 is equal to a multiplied by negative 9 plus 8 squared plus 1. And if you calculate it, you will get 2 here probably. Is it? It's also probably clear. So you have to write it here. Y is equal to that one. After that, you have to find f of 0. You have to write instead of x 0. Then you have to multiply it by 6. It will be 12. X plus 8 squared plus 6. Then you have to write here also 0. Then you have to look at this difference. Okay? Okay, now let's look second method because I don't like that method. Actually, I don't recommend also this method. I think Desmos method is better than this one. Open table. Enter negative 9 and negative 1. Enter vertex to middle. Then write y exactly here, negative 1. Negative 9, negative 8. So there's a 1 unit difference, so it must be also 1 unit. Then press that one and it will be quadratic. Then press that one, it will be f of x. Then says that you have to multiply it by 6, so it will be f of 0 minus 6 f of 0. So answer is 635. Any question from here?
No. But can you send this one to the group?
Yes, of course. Hi Mirsadik, how are you?
Hello, I'm great, Mr. Thank you for asking.
Okay. I am recording this lesson, but I didn't record all of them. I didn't record first 20 minutes or 10 minutes. I will upload to YouTube. You can look from there.
Thank you very much, Mr.
But if you join like that for every time, I mean, today I know there's a traffic because of Formula One, right? But I hope
Yes, you're right.
it will not be bilmedim nece diyeyim. It will not be happened from next lesson. Okay, some belə bir şey.
Okay.
Okay, we are looking at the vertex. Do you know what's the meaning of vertex?
Is it like the lowest point of a parabola?
Yeah, right, great. So you know what's vertex, it is great. So we are looking at this topic, we are looking some question now. I want to also write here formula, then you can use it. Just wait. Şeyden çıktım. Ha tamam, ders burada da. Okay, I am giving you one more question and I am writing here vertex formula. Let's say that we have 0 point. It passed from 0 point. And 0 point to 7,000 and 0 0.2 is vertex. What's the value of F700? Okay, find that one. You have to use this forum. You can use this forum or you can use Desmos. I am giving you 3 minutes. You have to do same thing. Any opinion? Any opinion? 0.038, Arjo, it is probably correct. This is probably correct. And the rest of you probably didn't understand, right? I mean, you don't know what to do. Okay, I am writing here first step. First step, use vertex point. At vertex forum. Or actually, we can say insert vertex point. No, it is not insert. So that one is H always, this is K. So Y is equal to A multiplied by X minus 7,000 square plus 0.2. Okay, the second one, find A. How we can find A? Use other point. Zero is equal to A multiplied by 0 minus 7 square plus 0.2. Then A is equal to, put this one here, it will be 0.2 negative over 7,000 square. Third one, write instead of A this value. Y is equal to negative 0.2 7,000 square multiplied by X minus 7,000 square plus 0.2. Is it clear for everyone? It is how to find equation.
Yes, it's clear.
Meryem, Gülsüm, Sezan, Ayla.
Yes, it's clear.
I hope it is clear. Then Y is equal to 0.2 over 7,000 square multiplied by 700 minus 7,000 plus 0.2. It's equal to 0.2 over 7,000 square multiplied by that one. Then we can eliminate this two. We can eliminate 0, 0, then it will be 7 and 10. No, it will be not 7. It will be 9, I think, right? 9. 9 and 10. Yes, so it is 0.2 multiplied by 9 over 10 square will be 0.81 plus 0.2, but bence yok, subject diye SNS'e. I think something is not correct, but I don't know. Nəsə səhv gedir, amma bilmədim nə səhv getdi.
Minus 0.2 over 10 is not minus 0.2.
No, I combine this two. It is 9 square and it is 9. I combine
It's
this two and
minus 0 over 2 over 10 square. How it can be minus?
it is like that, right?
Yes.
Then I wrote it like this. Are they same or not?
Okay, I get it.
So it is 0.9 and 0.9 multiplied by. So it is, maybe I make mistake here, but because I remember answer and for answer it was plus. Just wait 1 minute. Mənfi alınır amma burada. Yox, nəsə, yəqin belədir cavab. Yəqin mənim səhv yanımda qalıb. Bu 0.2'ye mərtəzə qabanı çıxardıq. No, it was correct. Okay. Mən elə bildim 0.38 alınacaq. Yox, beləymiş. So answer is that one. So it asked in real exam, by the way. Also, it was word problem. I didn't give you word problem part, and word problem part is also hard, and you have this calculation. So, what's your opinion? If you know this method, if you know everything, okay, how many minutes you need to spend for this calculation? 3-4 minutes, right? Buna neçə dəqiqə ayırarsınız? Tahminen.
Yes.
3-4 minutes. And 3 and 4 minutes are very, very long for one question. Yeah, writing it like that, instead of writing it like that, I recommend you don't write it. Just guess it. Ya bunu belə yazmaqdansa yazmayın. Ya o kadar pis metottu. So instead of that one, you have to, I highly recommend you use vertex. Okay, what was vertex point? It was 7,000, 0.2. It is 0, 0. Okay, any of you can tell me what's the point here? Aranızdan biri bunun ne olduğunu diyebilir bana. Any guess?
I think that it's 40,000 and 0.
Yes, 40,000 and 0, right. I hope this is clear for everyone. Why it is like that? Maybe Mirsadik, you didn't understand. Because we have this formula, x vertex is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, but y part must be same. So 0, 7,000, 14,000, 0, 0, or you can think it like that. If this vertex, you will have automatically 1 point here, and their y will be same. Half of sum of their x-intercept, half of sum of their x coordinates must be equal to x vertex. Then press this one, then change it to quadratic, press that one, make it f of x, and write here f of 700. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you are able to find this point, question will be like 30 seconds. But if you cannot find this point, it will be 4 minutes. And also it is word problem part again. It's also not easy. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Let's continue with questions. So use table. Look this question. Use table. Desmos. Use table at Desmos. Okay, an answer. Arjun, you said 312 is correct.
Yes, I had the same answer.
Okay, great. How did you find that answer?
You just put it into Desmos table, as you said. All the 3 points are already given. So then you just add a quadratic regression, and then you just copy the formula that it gives you, and then you just put gx equals to that formula. I mean
Yes,
that form.
yes.
And then you just write g0 minus g2.
Right, right. It's very good. So you have to just write all of them here. It is actually a very hard question, but with Desmos, it is nothing. You have to enter all points here, like that. Then press quadratic and press that one. Then press like that. F of 0 minus f of 2. 312. It's all. Okay, it's actually 18 question. Let me look. Do we have anything more? Ah, okay. We have also function here. So we can also, I can also send you function.
And can I ask a question? I also wrote like f0 minus f2, but I got -2.
Can you send your solution?
Okay.
Just wait 1 minute. Okay, send it. I will look. Just okay. Send me. I am looking. Uh, let's look function. Okay, let's look function.
Sent you.
It is -2. Probably
Correct?
it is -2 probably. Just wait.
Okay.
Or that's all. Ah, burada. Ah, no, no, it is +2. Okay, that part. Ah, okay, okay. You have to write instead of y f of x. Only that part is not correct.
Okay, okay.
Because when you didn't write like that, it cannot relate this part with that part, okay? So right now, Desmos don't know what's the meaning of f of x. We don't have this function. So that's why you have to write it f of x, then you have to write this one, okay? Okay, now we are looking at last part of today. General for function, we have this form. Something. For that one, f of x is called output, and x is input. What's the meaning of output and input? It means that you have to give value instead of x, and you will get f of x. So from here we can say like that f of x depends from x. Like that. If it is clear, let's look also transformation. Let's say that we have a function like that. For making that one 5 unit up, you have to make it like this. You have to add 5 here. Okay, let me show it like that one. G of x is equal to f of x plus 5. When say 5 unit down, g of x is equal to f of x minus 5. If it is 5 finite, right, you have to write it like that. G of x is equal to f of x. It is not plus. Maybe some of you think it is plus, but it is actually minus 5. And for 5 finite left, it will be automatically g of x is equal to f of x plus 5. Okay, now let's look their function. So that one will be like that. That one will be like this. Just wait. X minus 5 squared, x plus 5 squared, like that. Okay, another important thing here, if you don't have any question, if you have question, you have to ask. Sual varsa soruşun, izah edeyim. If instead of that one, you have something like that, let's say. Okay, it is x squared, but it says that f of x plus 5 is shown. What's f of x? For this type of question, when it says shown, it means that f of x plus 5 is equal to x squared. F of x is equal to x squared minus 5, and it is your answer. So when it says shown, it is actually minus. And another important thing here, if it is like that, yok bu çok karışık oldu. Biraz sadeleştireyim. Okay, if it is like this, for making transformation here, I am writing for making transformation or translation, actually both of them. Not same but similar. Translation or transformation. Bence çok da farkı yoktu. You have to write it. You must convert the equation to y is equal to something. So you cannot do transformation here. You have to write it like that. Y is equal to 2x minus x squared. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, also look them at home. Neydi bizim grup? 17.00. Okay. Okay, now I want to give you example. Just wait. Tamam. Demek. Now let's say that we have a function like this. 5x plus 10y is equal to 20. And let's say that it is line K. It is line K. Line H is obtained by transforming or translating transforming line K 5 units up. What's the x-intercept of line H? Okay, find it. It is not very hard. It's actually simple. Okay, an opinion.
Is the answer 14?
Maybe 14. Okay, first you have to write it in correct form. Correct form means that it is y is equal to something. And I join also write 14. 10y is equal to 10 minus 5x. Y is equal to 2 minus 0.5x. Then you have to do transformation. You have to add here 5. Okay. Then let's remove it. Remove it. So what's the answer? 14. Right. Answer is 14. I think it is a little bit harder for some of you. It is a little bit harder for Meryem, Sejan, probably for you. But if you write this test, you will understand all of them. If you cannot write me for help, okay?
I also got 14.
Okay, great then. Okay, write them. Write them for next lesson. And if you need help, you can ask. Okay, good. It's all for today, actually.
Okay, goodbye.
These topics are the hardest topic for SAT. Okay, goodbye.
Have a great day, Mr. Bye.
Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.